Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to scan now. Open Notes and create or open a note, then tap the camera icon and choose Scan Documents. This launches the camera in document mode. Make sure your iPhone has iOS 11 or later and that Notes access is allowed. Lay the paper flat on a well-lit surface and hold the phone roughly 6 to 12 inches above it. The app will attempt an automatic capture. If it doesn't, tap the shutter. This gets you the first clear scan quickly. Once you've captured a page, review and refine it. If auto worked, tap the preview to adjust. If not, use manual capture by tapping the shutter. Drag each corner to precisely crop the document so edges line up. That improves OCR and print results. Then tap filters to pick color, grayscale, or black and white depending on contrast and purpose. To scan multi-page documents, tap the plus icon to add pages and reorder or retake any page before you save to the note. After finishing edits, tap Save to add the scans to your note. Then use the Share button to export as PDF or send an image. You can open a saved scan to mark up annotations or use live text to copy selectable text, which is why precise cropping and good contrast matter. If scans are blurry, increase ambient light, switch from auto to manual capture, wipe the camera lens, and hold steady or use a stand. These steps resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.